Chinese phrases look very polite in the dictionary, but in real life, they can sound annoyed, sarcastic, cold, or passive aggressive. The phrase itself is not always rude. The problem is the tone, the situation, and the relationship between the speakers. So today, let's look at 10 Chinese phrases that non native speakers often misunderstand. Don't just learn the dictionary meaning, learn the feeling behind the phrase. 随便你 up to you or do whatever you want. 随便你 can be neutral. If your friend asks, 我们去哪儿吃饭? And you say, 随便你, that can be totally fine if your tone is relaxed. But with a cold tone, 随便你 can sound very different. It may mean do whatever you want. I don't care anymore. I don't want to argue. For example, 那我不去了，随便你. That does not sound friendly anymore. It sounds annoyed. Use it when you truly want to let the other person choose. Don't use it when you are upset, unless you want the other person to feel your attitude. A safer phrase is 都可以, anything is fine. 没事, it's okay, nothing. 没事 is one of the most common Chinese phrases. It can mean it's okay, no problem, I'm fine, nothing happened. For example, 对不起，踩到你了. Sorry, I stepped on your foot. 没事, it's okay. That is warm and friendly. But if someone says 没事 with a flat or cold tone, it may mean the opposite. 你生气了吗？没事. But maybe they are not fine at all. Sometimes 没事 means I'm upset, but I don't want to talk about it. Use it when you want to comfort someone or say something is not a big deal. Don't use it coldly if you really want to solve the problem. A warmer version is 真的没关系. It's really okay. 算了, forget it, or never mind. 算了 usually means forget it, never mind, let's drop it. For example, 既然你不想去，那就算了. Since you don't want to go, then forget it. But 算了 often carries emotion. It can mean I'm disappointed or I don't want to continue. I give up. Enough. For example, 我现在才看到你的消息，算了. This may sound hurt or annoyed. It is not always a simple never mind. Use it when you want to let something go. Don't use it sharply if you don't want to sound angry or disappointed. A softer phrase is 没关系，下次再说. It's okay, we can talk about it next time. 行吧, okay then, or fine. 行吧 means okay then, fine. All right, I guess. But it is not the same as a cheerful 好啊. 行吧 often sounds reluctant. For example, 我们改到明天可以吗？行吧. This usually means I'll accept it, but I'm not very happy. It sits somewhere between yes and no. Use it when you are accepting something even though it is not your favorite choice. Don't use it when you want to sound excited or fully supportive. If you really mean yes, say 好啊, sure. 再说吧. Let's talk about it later. 再说吧 literally means let's talk about it later. But in real life, it is often a soft no. For example, 周末一起吃饭吗？再说吧. This may mean maybe not. I'm not very interested. I don't want to say no directly. Of course, sometimes it really means we'll decide later. But don't treat 再说吧 as a definite yes. Use it when you really cannot decide now. Don't use it too often if you do not want to sound like you are avoiding the person. A clearer phrase is 我现在还不能确定. I can't confirm right now. 你看着办. You handle it or you decide. 你看着办 literally means you decide what to do. Handle it as you think best. Sometimes it is positive. Can mean I trust you. You have freedom to decide. But in work or serious situations, it can feel stressful because it may mean I don't want to take responsibility. You decide, but don't mess it up. You should know what I expect. For example, 那这个客户怎么处理? How should we handle this client? 你看着办. You handle it. This may not feel like freedom. It may feel like pressure. Use it when you genuinely trust the other person. Don't use it when the situation is risky and the other person needs clear guidance. A better phrase is 你可以按这个方向处理. You can handle it in this direction. 你说了算. You have the final say. 你说了算 means you decide. You have the final say. It's up to you. In a friendly tone, it can be respectful. For example, 去哪儿吃你说了算. You decide where we eat. But in an argument, it can become passive aggressive. For example, 行吧，你说了算. Fine, you decide. That may really mean I don't agree, but I'm done arguing. Have it your way. So, tone matters a lot. Use it when you sincerely give someone the choice. Don't use it coldly in an argument unless you want to sound annoyed. A warmer version is 你决定就好. You can decide. 我尽量 I'll try my best or I'll do what I can. 我尽量 sounds very positive. It means I'll try my best. It does not mean I promise or I can definitely do it. For example, 你明天能来吗？我尽量 This does not mean the person will definitely come. It may mean I'll try, but don't expect too much. Maybe, but I can't promise. Might not happen. Sometimes 我尽量 is sincere. For example, 这个任务有点难，但我尽量今天完成。This task is a bit difficult, but I'll try my best to finish it today. Here, the person really wants to try. But in social situations, 我尽量 can also be a soft way to avoid saying no directly. Use it when you really want to try but cannot guarantee the result. Don't use it when you want to make a clear promise. If you are sure, say 我一定来 I'll definitely come, or 我一定完成 I'll definitely finish it. 你厉害 you're amazing or you're impressive. 你厉害 can be real praise. For example, 我把这个问题解决了你厉害 Here it means wow, you're really capable or that's impressive. But with a flat or sarcastic tone, 你厉害 can mean something totally different. For example, 我把你的奶茶喝完了你厉害 This is not praise. It means, wow, you really did that. I don't even know what to say. Fine, you win. Use it when you sincerely want to praise someone. Don't use it flatly after someone does something annoying unless you want it to sound sarcastic. A clearer compliment is 你真的很厉害. You are really amazing. 对，你说的都对. Yes, everything you said is right. This phrase looks like agreement, but in modern daily conversation, it is often not real agreement. It usually means I don't want to argue anymore. You think you're always right. I'm tired of explaining. For example, 所以你承认我没错吧？ So you admit I'm right. 对，你说的都对。Yes, everything you said is right. This is not sincere agreement. It is often sarcasm. Online, you may also see, 啊对对对 this is even more sarcastic. It looks like strong agreement, but actually means sure, whatever you say. Or you're wrong, but I'm done talking. Use it when you are joking with close friends who understand your tone. Don't use it in serious conversation unless you want to sound sarcastic or dismissive. A sincere version is 对，我同意你的看法. Yes, I agree with your view. So these 10 phrases are not always rude, but they can carry attitude depending on tone and situation. 随便你 can mean up to you or I don't care anymore. 没事 can mean it's okay or I'm not okay, but drop it. 算了 can mean never mind or I'm disappointed. 行吧 means okay, but usually with reluctance. 再说吧 can mean let's talk later, but sometimes it is a soft no. 你看着办 can mean I trust you or don't mess this up. 你说了算 can be respectful or passive aggressive. 我尽量 may mean I'll try but don't expect too much. 你厉害 can be praise or it can mean wow, you really did that. 对，你说的都对 looks like agreement but often means I'm done arguing. The key is simple. Don't only learn the dictionary meaning, learn the tone, learn the feeling behind the phrase. Which phrase surprised you the most? Comment below. 再见。